just got LandFX and you're ready to install. Where do you begin? The installation guide is as easy as 1, 2, 3. One of your first decisions is figuring out where the LandFX folder will live. Your LandFX folder will store all the blocks, details, and other content the software downloads, as well as any custom blocks and other content you create. All LandFX users in your office will need to access the same LandFX folder, so you'll want to share this folder. We recommend locating it on a shared online folder using a service such as Dropbox, but you can also use it on an on-premises server. If you're the only LandFX user in your office, you can just store it on your computer. Aside from picking a location for your LandFX folder, you'll need to decide how your LandFX data will be stored. What's LandFX data, you might ask? When you enter remarks for a plant or assign a detail to a paver, for example, that information lives in a database, allowing it to be used across any number of DWG files. If a drawing is lost or damaged, you will still have all that project data. You have two options for storing your data, local and cloud. If you choose local data, it will be housed on either your computer or an office server. Yes, we mean an actual dedicated server. It can also be a virtual server, but if so, it will need to live on a physical on-premises server. If you have a single user installation using a laptop, or if you're the only LandFX user in your office, everything will be installed and housed on your computer. With cloud data, your data is stored securely off-site, duplicated across our servers. Note that cloud data requires a constant internet connection. We recommend cloud data in most cases. If you don't have a reliable internet connection, choose local data. That wraps up step 1, installing the FX server component. Step 2, are you using AutoCAD or FXCAD? In this example, we're using FXCAD, so we'll go ahead and install that. If you're unfamiliar with our FXCAD product, which contains an official Autodesk CAD engine, check out our FXCAD page at landfx.com/FXCAD to see if it's for you. Otherwise, you'll just need a full version of AutoCAD, not LT, PC only, that's no older than 4 years. Woohoo! We're finally at step 3. This step is easy. We're just going to run the FX Workstation installer to link your desired CAD platform to your LandFX folder location. Now we're all ready to start designing. When you run the latest version of our FX Workstation installer, you're getting the latest ribbons and AutoCAD menus. Remember to rerun the FX Workstation installer each year when we update the ribbons and menus, and each time you install a new version of CAD. For more quick tips like this, don't forget to check out our other Power Tip videos.